Good morning, everyone. My name is Haiteja from ECC section. Today, my topic is 5G converged cell-less communication in smart cities. Introduction. Smart cities are the evolution trend of future cities, which involve in many aspects of the daily life in cities, such as e-business, intelligent transportation system, telemedicine, metropolitan management, security surveillance, logistic management, social networking, communication service, and so on. To grasp more service, smart cities has been employing various wireless communication technology and networks, including the Bluetooth, Zigbee, radio frequency identification, wireless technologies, wireless cellular networks, wireless local area network, radio broadcasting network, wireless sensor network, body area network, and many others. This wireless communication technology, uh, along with fiber communication network or cable network for the ubiquitous network for a small cities. Furthermore, these different type of heterogeneous wireless network are expected to support the mobile interest of things, cloud computing, and big data in smart cities. In future smart cities, different type of information needed to be smoothly transmitted by different type of heterogeneous wireless network with high data rate and low energy consumption. In this case, the simple interconnection with different type of heterogeneous wireless communication can be not support the abystic information service of future smart cities. Furthermore, the mobile coverage network has been proposed to satisfy the high data rate and the low energy consumption. Compared to the simple interconnection scheme, a new network architecture needed to propose for the convergence of heterogeneous network based on the different transmission technology in smart cities. In general, there are two levels of heterogeneity of communication network in smart cities. One of the level refers to different transmission technology among Bluetooth, Zigbee, WLAN, millimeter wave, and even visible light communication. With another level of heterogeneity is relatable to different configuration and the parameter of the same transmission technology. Heterogeneous cellular network is considered as the macro cell tier. A few micro cell tiers are femtocell tier. Conventional communication and network, including cellular network and WLAN, have a distinct characteristics. They are regional areas around the base stations or the adjacent point in the which mobile terminals have to access the network via associate BS or AP. Such as an area can be called as a cell associated to a BS in cellular network, or just a covered area associated in AP in WLAN. In this article, both of them are named as cells for the sake of convenience. In conventional heterogeneous cellular scenario, or mobile terminal had to hand over vertical among heterogeneous network tests, or hand over horizontally among adjacent cells in same tier. As a consequence, it is required to perform complicated switching and routing algorithm across various type of heterogeneous network. But some recent researchers, software defined networks, which has been introduced to wide networks many years ago, has been using in managing complicated mobile network and performing the traffic routing in new generation networks. An HDN is also suitable to manage complicated heterogeneous in the new generation. An HDN is suitable to manage complicated heterogeneous networks such as 5G network in smart cities. Some research has shown that HDN can be improved to manage dynamic links such as access network linked or 5G backhaul link, which are widely required in coordinating multi-point transmission network. To realize ubiquitous and universal networks services in smart cities, we try to use HDN technology to break the technology gaps and regional stick in both vertical triad and horizontal celled heterogeneous network to support the adequate information service in the smart cities. Architecture and model of cellular communication in smart cities. There are many challenges for the mobile and wireless communication in smart cities. Based on the development of 5G communication systems, some of the issues involved with the urban scenario are list of following. The high demand of data rate causes ultra benefit BS development. There are the three main approaches for 5G communication system to increase data rate significant. The wider spectrum of millimeter wave transmission, the most spatial diversity of mass MIMO, or the most spatial density of VSS AP developing more VSS and APS can serve more high data rate demanding users, and they will provide a higher achievable data rate in terms of per unit area in smart cities. The higher density of BS and APS makes the smart cell coverage as the distance between BSS and APS in reducing in 10 meters for satisfying the high data rate demanding in smart cities. Illiterate and conventional cellular network are in a cell-less network in urban scenario as shown in figure. A mobile terminating in the conventional cellular network also associated to one and only one BS AP which terminate in cell-less network doesn't associate any BS and AP. In this case, the terminal in cell-less network as flexible communicate with one or more VSAP. If necessary, in the following parts of article, we explain the architecture and transmission mode of cell-less communication network. To achieve the requirement of huge data rate, ultra density, high mobility, and low energy consumption of wireless network in smart cities, the 5G converged cell-less communication network is proposed in this paper. In the novel cell-less scheme shown figure 2, a mobile terminal has shown to access one or more BSAP by different uplink downlink considering wireless channel status, and it depends or choose not to access any BSAP when the mobile terminal is idle. This is mobile terminal does not associate with any BSAP before it starts transmit data. In such BSAP need not maintain a list of associate mobile terminals, and instead of HDN controller decided which one or more BSAP perform the data transmission for the mobile terminal by controlling link shown figure 2. Moreover, the HDN controller create dynamic backhauls link and downlink uplink as well as the joint transmission of precision group of BS and AP such that they cooperate with other members in such small group to support transmission and reception for a specified mobile terminal. The cell-less scheme supports that the number of BS group is adaptively adjusted the requirement for the mobile terminals and the wireless channel status in different environments. They are the overhead caused by the handover is reduced and coverage probability in guarantee for the mobile terminal. Moreover, the traffic load balancing achieved by the resource schedule in a large scale network. They are performed by the HDN control of converging cell-less communication. Furthermore, the traffic load fluctuation is spatial and terminal domains is decreased for the smart cities. In this cell-less scheme, the HDN controller are core router for the HDN cloud in which the control plane is driven by the cloud computing, while router and instances backhaul link from the data plane in the cloud. HDN control, associate control, transmission control, router, joint transmission, joint reception, VS1, VS2, VS3, and VSN, user 1, user 2, downloading link, and this is uploading link and control link. Conclusion: the information and data generated from different type of heterogeneous wireless network are converged to provide the ubiquitous service in smart cities. To support mobile users in smart cities, the idea of coverage cell-less communication network is proposed to break the conventional cellular architecture of cell network and support the flexible mobile users association scheme considering the application requirement and wireless channel status. With the development of 5G ultra dense wireless network in smart cities, The cooperative group communication is designed the 5G converging cell-less communication networks. Simultaneously, results indicate that coverage probability and the energy saving at BS and mobile terminal are improved in 5G converged cell-less communication network. Based on the analysis and illustrative results, it can be concluded that converging cell-less communication scheme is promising way to match the high demand for coverage and rate in future smart cities because of its flexibility and unitarity. Considering there should be many complicated factors in the future smart cities such as high demanded caused by crowded people, the serious obstacle due to a lot of building and their heavy interactive in dense street. The converging cell-less communication can play a critical role because it can convert different communication technology and provides shameless seamless transmission. This improve converging and energy efficient by reducing unnecessary interference with the development of smart cities. 5G networks still we needed further investigation for solving new challenges in the smart cities. Thank you.